Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show to share a YouTube video on LinkedIn social media platform. First of all, let me open my YouTube channel. On the top right corner here you can see this one is my YouTube channel logo. Click here, then YouTube Studio. And now on the left side here you can see different options. Click on Content. Then you can find out all of the videos listed here. Now let me copy one of the video link, get shareable link, and then now let me open LinkedIn social media platform. This one, you can create a free LinkedIn account. After that you can log in, and here you will get this option, start a post. You can upload videos, images, you can write article, you can also share YouTube videos links. Simply you can paste the link here and loading preview. Okay, then scroll down, click on post. You can also schedule this post to publish it later. Okay, that's done.